Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on DOOGEE S100. And to do this, first we'll need to try to locate all of the speakers on this device, first one being on top right here. And I would also guess that these two are speakers and these two as well. And if that's true, it basically means that this device already has stereo speakers, because if the sound is coming from all of them, that is the stereo speaker. Now I'm gonna play some music, cover each of them with my fingers and see if the sound is coming from all of the sources. Okay, and clearly sound is coming from all of the sources, which confirms that this device does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.